Hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact guys, after Moses Caicedo fantastic performance, his classic performance, his super performance, him taking in charge of the midfield every game this season, I'm telling you, better than Ugarte and Casemiro combined, better than Declan Rice, better than Thomas Partey. This man, Moses Caicedo, guys, now Chelsea decided to extend his contract. Chelsea decided to increase his wages. Moses Caicedo. In fact, Chelsea signed Moses Caicedo on 8 years contract. Yes, and already he spent 1 year so far. So now Moses Caicedo is left with 7 years on his contract with Chelsea. And Chelsea is now deciding, guys, to renew and to extend his contract and increase his wages, as I said, after his fantastic season. Yes, untouchable season, unbelievable season. In fact, we robbed Brighton. I'm telling you guys, we robbed Brighton. Why? Moses Caicedo is 1 billion player, not 100 million player. Hey, if this Moses Caicedo is in Barca team, Barca, they are giving him a release clause of 1 billion. If this Moses Caicedo is in Real Madrid team, I'm telling you, they are giving him a release clause of 100 billion. I'm telling you. So we rob Brighton. In fact, Chelsea should pay another 100 million to Brighton. Caicedo pay all the money. The 150 million will pay for him. Caicedo this season, he play. In fact, he started it from the ending part of last season under Pochettino. He was conquering the midfield. He was playing like N'Golo Kante type of midfielder. Up to now, 38 games, a full season, Caicedo conquered the midfield. A full season, Caicedo pocketed everybody, every midfielder in the midfield. Sobolozai, McAllister, Declan Rice, Thomas Partey, who, any midfielder that you can mention in the Premier League, that midfielder is in the pocket of Moses Caicedo. So guys, indeed, Chelsea have to increase his wages. Indeed, Chelsea have to extend his contract, because having a 1 billion player is not easy. It's not easy. When we were signing Caicedo, people were saying that Chelsea is wasting their money. Chelsea is just throwing another man away. But now look at Moses Caicedo, the best DM in the world. See, you can't compare Moses Caicedo to any DM. You can't just compare. So guys, now Chelsea is deciding to extend his contract and increase his wages. By the way, it will happen from Chelsea camp that it will happen when this season ends. They will now sit and negotiate on that. And Chelsea qualifying for Champions League will also count. Yes, if Chelsea qualify for Champions League, it will work effectively. Yes, information said that. But if Chelsea doesn't qualify, it may still work. But the effectiveness of Chelsea increasing his wages is when Chelsea qualify for Champions League. And as we are speaking now, Caicedo is earning £150,000 a week. £150,000 a week. So not a bad ending as we are speaking now. Yes. Can you believe that Caicedo? Yes, Caicedo is ending more than Palmer. Palmer is ending something like 120, 130. Yes. So if Chelsea is going to increase his wages, it can be 200,000. Yes. And 200,000, who is earning that? Rhys James is earning 250. I think Fofana, you see Fofana, he's earning almost 195, almost 200,000. And Nkunku is also earning around 200,000. Yes, so Caicedo deserves it. He deserves it 100%. And what Chelsea is doing when you perform, they increase your wages, is good. It's good. It will send a message to other players that, okay, if Palmer performed, they increase his wages. Palmer was earning around 60,000, yes. And this season or last season, they increased his wages. They increased his wages to 120. So it will send a message to some of our players. Tell them to perform. When you perform, your salary will increase. When you perform, your wages will increase. So it will motivate them and give them the belief to perform. Yes, okay, if I also perform, they will increase my wages. They will see my performance and increase my wages. So it will send a message to Sanchez, Badiashile, and Disase and Co. Maybe Disase will come back. Yes, and other players who are not doing well, Madueke and Co. Those selfish football. No. You can't be playing this and expect your wages to be increased. So I like it. I like that method. But just that Chelsea first time of signing a player, and we are wanting that player, or we want that player to take 100,000, 60,000, And those kind of even big players we want, other teams are paying them good wages whilst they are coming. So this thing, the advantage part is, as I said, it will motivate other players to what? Deliver, give good performance. But the disadvantage part, just signing players, it will be difficult. Quality players and experienced players, yes. Good players, it will be difficult because some players, when they are coming to your team, you have to pay higher wages. I'm telling, no way, you have to pay. Like last season when we were to sign Olise or Seaman and co, yes, Alvarez and co, you see, those kind of players, like they are established players, already made players. You have to pay. You have to pay whether you like it or not. You have to pay the 200,000 at first place, or 250, or even the 150 at first place. Not wanting them to come and perform. No. So guys, that is the information for Moses Caicedo contract extension and his wages increase. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought, and let's come to the next topic. Yes, same topic as Moses Caicedo. But before I go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And let's come to Moses Caicedo again. Moses Caicedo won Chelsea players of the season. At the same time, Chelsea player of the season. Moses Caicedo won 2 fantastic awards. 2 achievements for Moses Caicedo so far this season, being Chelsea best player and being players player of the season. Players player of the season and Chelsea best player for Moses Caicedo. What a wow, what a wow. In fact, Caicedo deserves this. I'm telling you. When this voting started, when I was to vote, I was thinking about voting between Cucurella and Caicedo. But I will not say who I vote. Yes, I love all of them. And even if Cucurella also win it, he deserves it. Yes, Cucurella also performed well this season, I'm telling you. So Caicedo deserves this award 100%. See, this guy is underrated. I don't know why. Because he is playing for Chelsea. If this guy were to be playing at Arsenal or Manchester United or Real Madrid or Barcelona and be performing this, by now they will be mentioning his name among the Ballon d'Or contenders. I'm telling you. But I don't know, because of the agenda against Chelsea is too much. Caicedo in Chelsea, inform Caicedo, best DM in the world. Nobody's mentioning Caicedo name. See, I don't understand football fans nowadays. Look at these Manchester United fans. 15 on the league table. Since Amorim came there, they have been running 15-14. Nobody is talking about them. I'm telling you. Go to the media. Football fans. Yes, the media populace, the world, nobody is talking about Manchester United. But if it were to be Chelsea being on 15 on the league table, you hear all sort of noise. All kind of noise. They will be saying that Chelsea spend 1.5 billion, they could not even make top 10. Chelsea spend 1.5 billion, they could not even make top what and what. They are 15 on the league table. Chelsea spend 1.5 billion what. But Manchester United, look at all the money that they spend under Ten Hag. Buying a striker 80 million, Maguire 80 million, how much they sign Onana. But nobody is talking. But if it were to be Chelsea, by now Chelsea fans will keep mute because the noise will be all over. Yes, the agenda is too much on Chelsea. So this Moses Caicedo, he is underrated. See, I'm waiting to see when the season ends. They will come out with the Premier League, yes, player of the season. We are waiting to see, yes, because last season they robbed Cole Palmer. Yes, last season they robbed Cole Palmer and gave to Foden. We are waiting to see someone like Cole Palmer, someone like Cucurella, someone like Caicedo in our team. I want to see something positive about Premier League player of the season. I'm telling you, this guy, they perform. See, and one thing I even like about this our play, like their performance doesn't matter whether Chelsea as a team is performing or not. Even if Chelsea is not performing or some games the team is not playing, but this kind of players, they will stand out. You know that this player, yes, Chelsea didn't play as a team, but this player, Cucurella, he played well. He performed. This player, Cole Palmer, he performed. This player, Caicedo, he performed. So, Premier League player of the season. Well, I will not say anything here. I'm waiting for the list to come out, or the day they will choose it. They will pick Premier League player of the season. We shall see, Chelsea fan. You will see. The agenda against Chelsea is too much. It's too much. So, guys, Moses Caicedo won players of the season and player of the season for Chelsea. And our young academy talented player, Track George, won Academy Player of the Season. Yes, Tra George also won Academy Player of the Season. Yes, the young Tra George, better than Ahmad, better than Garnacho. Tra George also won Academy Player of the Season. Yes, deserve it, deserve it. The goal that he scored against Fulham, yes, the net opener, he came and started the scoring. Then Neto scored the second goal and scoring his first goal in the Conference League. Not a bad season for Tra George. I can still remember last season, one of our academy guys won this. He is at Newcastle now. Lewis Hall. Oh, yes, Lewis Hall won it last season. But unfortunately for him, he didn't stay to get the playing time. Oh, yes, Lewis Hall won it. So let's hope for George here, he will stay in Chelsea and get the playing time. So for me, that is my fear of Chelsea bringing in more wingers. Because this kind of young guy, they need playing time. But if we bring more wingers, especially those who pay big monies for, they can come and be on the bench. And George, as I said, this kind of play, they need to be playing. They need to be playing. And Chelsea academy guys playing for Chelsea is good. Look at Reece James and Co, Chalobah and Co. When you are seeing them, yes, you can see Chelsea in them. Yes, no adaptation for them. They just came from Cobham, from the grassroots, yes, to the senior team. So having academy players in your team is very, very, very important. So let's hope this guy also next season he stay. Yes, and Jose Achampong and Co, let's hope next season they stay and get the playing time. It will be good because they are all good players. When given the playing time, they are going to grow very, very well and deliver. Be one of the best players in the Premier League. Yes. So guys, George also won, yes, Academy Player of the Season. Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about all these awards, Moses Caicedo, George, and all our players. Or do you think any player deserve it more than Moses Caicedo, like Cucurella and Co? Because I won't lie, Cucurella also deliver. He performed well. See, Cucurella, Charlie, he went to Euros, perform, came back to Chelsea, continue. What a wow. See, next season, Chelsea we can compete for the league if we can get a striker. If Chelsea go and get experienced striker more than Jackson who can score goals, forget. And maybe one centre back and a goalkeeper, forget. We are winning the league next season. And goalkeeping position, Petrovic will be back next season. And guys, we'll give you a podcast of the Champions League games coming. Yes, our analysis and our prediction. Yes, for that game. Yes, PSG. Yes, Arsenal and Inter Milan, Barcelona. We'll give you a podcast for that. That video is here. Click to enjoy them. And our Conference League, yes, semi-final, the second leg, the preview is also coming. And Newcastle game, yes, in the weekends also, the preview is also coming. So please watch out, turn on the notification bell. When those videos arrive, you will be the first person to see it on this channel. Take care, peace.